So, check it out, guys. The problem is right here. We solved it. This one is stuck. This one is not. So, I'm about to go to the store and buy another DOD lifter. And I guess I'll show you all how it's going to be running when I come back. That's it. So guys, we fixed the ticking issue. I had a little help here. No, I didn't, I'm lying. But
wow.
So I just put the vacuum hose on. I broke them. I broke the vacuum hose, but I'm still gonna start it up just to show you the ticking issue does not exist anymore. So just keep that going on there.
I would show y'all my face, but basically I'm looking ugly today.
And that's just the vacuum leak coming from the intake, which is not a big deal. But it's running like a champ. It's running real smooth.
Quiet.
It get a cold start and then idle back down. So it's good.